In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your brand mark on a video, position it cleanly, and control how long it appears, all within the Wave.video editor. Start on your My Projects page. This is where all your videos live. Pick the video you want to brand by clicking its thumbnail. Choose one that's ready for a logo, whether it's a finished cut or a work in progress. Open it in the editor by selecting Edit Video. This brings up the main workspace with your canvas in the center, a timeline at the bottom, and tools along the left side. We'll use those tools to add the logo as an overlay. On the left, click Overlays. Overlays are visual elements that sit on top of your footage, which is exactly where a logo belongs. Within Overlays, choose Media. This tells the editor you want to bring in your own file rather than a built-in shape or sticker. Next, click Upload. Locate your logo file on your computer and select it. A transparent PNG or SVG usually looks best because it avoids a boxy background and stays crisp. Keep your file size reasonable so it loads quickly, and use a version designed for video if you have one. Once the file appears in your library, click Add to place it onto the canvas. Now adjust where to put it. Click and drag the logo to your preferred corner or spot. The bottom right is a popular choice, but place it where it won't compete with captions, faces, or key visuals. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions intact, and aim for a size that's visible without overpowering the content. If guides or snapping appear, use them to keep spacing consistent from the edges for a clean, professional look. Finally, adjust the duration of the logo. In the timeline, you'll see a layer representing the logo. Drag the ends of that layer to set how long it stays on screen. Pull it across the full timeline if you want your branding present the entire time, or trim it so it shows only during an intro, segment, or outro. Scrub through to ensure it appears exactly where you expect, and make any fine-tune adjustments by nudging the layer or its edges. That's it. You've added your logo, positioned it neatly, and set its duration for the perfect branded touch. Keep these placement and sizing tips in mind, and your videos will look polished and consistent every time.